Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're continuing our Bonita series. It's all started with the stud earrings. Then I decided to make chandelier earrings using the same units. And then people asked me to make the matching bracelet for this earrings. So this is Bonita bracelet, this is Bonita earrings, this is Bonita chandelier earrings. And now I decided to make a cuff. So this is Bonita cuff. Process here is slightly different from what we did previously, but it looks the same. So if you take one, look, it's like putting some of them, like if you combine them, you kind of getting the same units as here. So that was the whole idea behind it, designing this. So it's slightly different process, and usually I don't have issues with trying to explain what I'm doing. I did really struggle with this. So here, what I'm gonna do instead, I'm just gonna show you how to start and how to make this unit. From there, you just repeat the same unit over and over again until you get the required length. But words wise, I struggle. I think it's really hard to explain this stage particularly, but I'll try my best, and just follow what I'm doing and you'll be fine. So let's get the materials ready for this one. I'll get this aside. So for this, I used Tohos. So I used these bugles. This is the code here. And I used this 11/0, and this is the code here if you need it. I don't have a code for 15/0. I think those are Miyuki, and they just used 6mm check brown pearls for the clasp. And for the new bracelet, I'm gonna go with gold bugles. They are check 9mm silver line gold. Then I'm just gonna use some 11/0. I have no idea what these are. I just know the size, but I don't know the brand, color code or anything. I'm just going with 11/0 blue. And then I will need some matching 15/0. These are Miyuki 15/0, and that's the code 152444. I just need a really small amount to make the loops and attach the pearl at the end. And I'm using check cashmere 6mm pearls for the buttons at the top to match our gold. So from the beads, that's all. It's really small amount here, really. Then you'll need a stop bead to start off, your beading thread. I'm gonna be using Nymo size B to match my gold beads, and beading needle size 11, and scissors. So that's all the materials you need. Thread your needle with comfortable length you have to add here. I think for this bracelet I used about 3.5 yards. So if you can take 4 yards in one go, you're welcome, but that's too long for me. I'm usually comfortable working with 2 yards. So I'm gonna thread my needle, and then we'll get straight to work. So to start off, you just need your bugles and your 11/0. I'm gonna take my stop bead. I'm gonna leave it till about 1.5 feet. That will be enough to add one side of the clasp. And then I'm gonna take my needle through the stop bead one more time. That's it. And now, let me explain what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you how to do these 2 units. And then I'm gonna show you how to make this unit, this unit, this unit. So this triangular shape here makes 1 unit. And then once I show you this, you can just repeat that same process over and over again until you have your required length. Because it's quite hard to explain, so it's more visual explanation here. So just watch what I'm doing, repeat it, and once I finish that, you can just, if you're still finding it hard to repeat it without watching, you can just rewind and watch the same process again, how I do this 3 units. So I'm just gonna put it aside. So to start off, I'm gonna pick up 1 bugle, 1 11/0, 1 bugle, 1 11/0, drop it down, 1 bugle, 1 11/0, 1 bugle, 1 11/0. So I have 4 of each. So I have 4 of each. Now I just have to turn it into a circle by going through all those beads one more time. Don't go through your stop bead though, that's not part of our bead work. And then to actually turn it into a circle, wait, I'm just gonna remove this tail out of the way. I'm gonna go through this bugle and next 11/0 and pull my needle through. So this is what you have. This is the first unit. And now here, I'm gonna pick up 3 11-0s and add a picot on this side. Okay. And then I'm gonna go to the next 11-0 and add a picot there as well. Pick up 3 11-0s and then go through the same bead through the other side. And that's our first unit ready. Now I just have to add the second one on this side. So I'm just going to take my needle through all here and go to the top of this picot. Here. And now I'm just going to take my needle to the top bead of this picot. Well, right angle weave unit, it's not a picot really. And then here I add the second unit. Pick up 1 bugle, 1 11-0, 1 bugle, drop it down, 1 11-0, 1 bugle, 1 11-0, 1 bugle, drop it down, and this is what you have. So basically you pick up 4 bugles with 11-0s in between. And then I'm just gonna take my needle through that top 11-0 one more time. And we're almost done. So here, to finish off our first row, I have to go around and add a picot, add a right angle weave unit on top of this to match this. So I'm just gonna go around. That's it, here. Pick up 3 11-0s, go through the same bead through the other side. And that's basically it. I'm just gonna go ahead and reinforce this last right angle weave unit. What I mean by this is it. What I do from now on is going to be repetitious. This is our base. See here? We build first this one, and then we build the second one. And now from here, what I do is always the same. I built the first one, this one, and then I built the second one and third one, and you just repeat it on, and that's it. So here I am. Let's go ahead and start. So here I'm gonna go up this side of the right angle weave unit. I'm gonna pick up 1 bugle, 1 11-0, 1 bugle, and then go down the 11-0 on this side and pull my needle through. And then I'm gonna pick up 1 bugle and then go through this 11-0 here and pull my needle through. And that bugle will just lie down next to this one here. Again, pick up 1 bugle and then go up this 11-0 and then pull my needle through. That's it. We have the middle unit ready, and now we just have to add picot here. From there we add the side units. So I'm just gonna go around here, go up, add right angle weave unit, and reinforce. So first unit done. Now we just add this side and then this side. To do that, I'm gonna go up this side bead here of the picot of the right angle weave unit. Pick up 1 bugle, 1 11-0, 1 bugle, 1 11-0, 1 bugle. So basically 3 bugles with 11-0s in between. And here I'm gonna go through this 11 here and pull my needle through, and then pick up one bugle and then go up this bead. And to finish off this unit, we add a picot on top. Here, pick up 3 11/0 and add right angle with unit. And then we add the next unit here. To do that, I'm just gonna go around again to this right angle with unit. And to add this last unit here, I'm gonna go to this side of this right angle with unit. Here. I pick up one bugle, go through this bit here, pick up one bugle, 1 11/0, one bugle, 1 11/0, one bugle. So basically 3 bugles with 11/0 in between. And then go down this 11/0. And that's basically it. To finish off this unit, we have to add right angle with unit on top of this. So I'm just gonna go around there. And then go to the top 11/0 and add right angle with unit here. Pick up 3 11/0, go through the same 11/0 through the other side, and you just want to go ahead and reinforce this unit. And that's it. That's our repetitious segment. Just like we did in the beginning, you were on top of this, and then there you added this unit, then you added your right angle with unit, then you added this unit, added right angle with unit, then you went around back, added this unit, and then you added right angle with unit. And just like we started this unit, you repeat this segment over and over again like a chevron. So you start this one, this one, this one, and you just repeat it until you have the required length. And once you do that, I'm gonna meet you back here and I'm gonna show you how to add the pearls. So we're almost there. Now I'm gonna show you how to add one of the pearls, and the second one you can do yourself. So all I'm gonna do is take my needle to the top 11/0. Here you go. And then I pick up 6 15/0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 11/0 and 1 pearl. 6 15/0, 1 11/0 and 1 pearl. And then drop it down. And then pick up 3 15/0. This will form a picot on top of the pearl. So we're gonna go down the pearl and the 11/0. And then pull your needle through. Make sure your picot is formed on top. And then, see? And then pick up 6 15/0. 4, 5, 6. And then see this 11/0 we're coming out of? I'm gonna come around the other side. And this is how it looks like. All I'm gonna do is reinforce. Gonna go through all those beads I just added, go through 16/0, 11/0 pearl. Pull my thread nice and tight along the way. Go through the picot at the top. Down through the pearl and the 11/0. And make sure you come down the other side, because we went up this side, I'm gonna come down this side. So all those 15/0 on the way. and the last 50 now, and through the 11 now. And that's it. You have your one button. So now you go around, go back down here, come back up here on top, and add the same way the second pearl, and then get rid of this tail, and then I'm gonna meet you back here. So one side is ready, time to do the second side. So I thread my needle, well, I removed the stop bead first. Here, I'm gonna go through the 11 now, add the picot on top, pick up 3 11 no's, go through the same bead through the other side, reinforce, always reinforce, and go to the top bead, and pick up 19 50 no's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, and then I'm gonna take my needle through the same 11 now through the other side. Now here I'm gonna hold my tail nice and tight, bring one of the pearls and see if it goes easily through that loop. Not a problem at all. So I'm just gonna leave it at 19. For you, if it's too tight, go ahead, add one more 50 now. If it's too loose, remove 150 now, and so on until you get your perfect tightness. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just reinforce it. I'm gonna go through all those 50 no's I added one more time. And they're so small. And then last 50 now, and come out of the 11 now. Pull your thread nice and tight, adjust your loop so it looks like one, and then you're gonna take your needle down through these bugles to the top here, add picot, add a right angle weave on it, reinforce, and add the second loop just like this one, and then get rid of the tail. And that's it, guys. Here's my Bonita series in its entirety. I don't think I'll be coming back to it. I thought to use this pattern and make a necklace, but you know, even this bracelet like this one, it's not very strong. I never have confidence in jewelry I make with bugles, so I would never sell them or gift them because, you know, it's so easy to break them. So even if I made a necklace, it would be so weak and I'd spend so much time on it. So I think this is where we're gonna stop. This is the rest of the Bonita, and I hope you liked it. Yeah, let's see how this bracelet looks like. Look, gorgeous, isn't it? I'm just gonna put this on. And that's it. Goes perfectly with my watch as well. It looks really pretty, but then again, it's not very strong bracelet, so I would not recommend selling these. Otherwise, if they break, you'll end up with some angry customers. So thanks for watching, guys. Stick around for more. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.